Okay, so I'm having trouble with Doflinx for Futurepinball. I can't seem to get it to wake up without me having to turn it on manually. Uh, if I go back, if I get out of Pinball X, I'm having to start it from here, from my direct output folder. And you can see that it's running right here. But if I end the task and try it again, for some reason it doesn't seem to want to start. I've been following the guide from Mame in the Box, TerryRed, and DDH69 step by step. And right now what I'm doing is just a lot of testing, trying to figure it out before I actually build the cabinet. What I got here is just a few LEDs set up, and as you can see, it hasn't turned on. So right now the Doflinx is off. So let me show you my folders that I got. Here's my direct output folder. Here's my Doflinx INI. And as you can see, that I have it set for Futurepinball, FP loader. I'm using the correct folder that I got from the DOF configuring tool. Let's see if I can get into it. I'm using this one right here that I generated from my downloads. If we come over here to this screen right here, you can see where I got it from. So this is the file that I created, and like I said, I only have a few RGB LED strips connected just for testing. And here's some of the guides that I've been following. Is I think this is Mame in the Box. And this is DDH69. So I've done everything that I even tried starting it up in Windows, and it didn't work. To have it running all the time in the background, for some reason it wouldn't start up. Let me see. My Futurepinball has the correct file. This is the file that I created, scripts. Here's the Doflinx VBS file. So I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong, or for some reason I can't get this to start without having to actually double click it and turn it on myself. And here it goes, I'm running it as an administrator. And if we check on Task Manager, we can see that it's now running. And I'm having to do this every time I start. just to get it to launch in Futurepinball. So if y'all got any tips on what I can do to fix this, so now we can see that it should turn on. I think I've been working on this for about 3 days, just messing around with the Doflinx files, and it seems to be a little bit more trickier than I thought. And hopefully it turns on right now. So, before I start buying, more and more parts, I want to make sure that I got this starting up every time I use it. And as you can see, it turned on. Everything seems to be fine so far. And there it is. Doflinx is working. But like I said, it just seems not to want to wake up on startup of Futurepinball games. And that's it, man. If y'all have any tips that can help me, get back to me.